Hi guys, my name is Maz. You're watching Watch It, and this tutorial is to tell you how to remove the background noise from your audio simply by using Davinci Resolve 15. So I've dragged an audio file here in my timeline, and what I'll do is simply go to audio option here on the left side and then noise reduction. I've dragged this noise reduction here on audio file, and this option will pop up. So first of all, let me show you how the video sounds before noise reduction. Hi guys, this is a tutorial of how to remove the background noise. For this method we will use Davinci Resolve 15. So as you heard, there's a lot of background noise in this video, and by using this method we can reduce a lot of background noise. Hi guys, this is a tutorial of how to remove the background noise. A lot of background noise has still been removed, but now let's check out how does it work. Hi guys, this is a tutorial of how to remove the background noise. For this method we will use Davinci Resolve 15. So as you see, the background noise is completely gone, and there is no buzzing sound, there is no hissing sound. And for your audio, if one time applying the filter doesn't work, then you can apply it for second time as well, and you can play with the levels as I did. It helped a lot me, and I hope so that it will help you too. So guys, that's it for this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.